I want to demonstrate the Similayer plugin. So I have a task at hand to update the icon here. That is the triangle with the exclamation mark. So I have the icons set out in these tooltips or these notifications. So to click on them, if I was to use native features within Figma here, so you can see I want to select just these red triangles. I can use the targeting within Figma, but it's going to, because this icon is set in an icon slot, it's going to select all of the slots here. So you're going to see selecting the success, warning, and info icons. So I don't want to select them all. I just want to focus on the red ones here. So what I can do is simply I select just these icons here, or these panels here. That's where the icons exist. So it's just selecting that. So it's working within this selection here, and then I run a plugin called Similayer. So you can just go into your plugins panel here. I already have it loaded from last time I was testing. I do a search for Similayer. You see it here, it'll pop up. So when you run this tool, I just want to make sure to have those layers selected again. Knocked off. So it's just these layers I want to tackle. So I'm making my selection, then I'm running Similayer. And the beautiful thing about Similayer, you can select like similar layer, I guess it's what it's trying to say here. And it's so many options in here. You can go from corner radiuses, there's auto layout properties. You can really be very prescriptive with what the metrics are for making a selection. In this case, it's the name of the layer. I know the layer is called alert triangle, but what I'm going to do is go name layer here, select the option for name layer, and cleverly it gives you all the layers that are in that selection, and it's already it's identified it here. So click on alert triangle. That's exactly what I want to target. I click select layers. Now it's just targeted that, literally that icon that I want to swap out. And then I go in here into my layers panel, my properties, I'm in the icons. I know that one's called alert circle. So I'll do my alert circle and swap it out. And that's it. That's the icon swapped out. So it's the same up here. I want to swap this back to the triangle. So I'll simply go in, just select in this variant set, run Similayer again. I'm going to just type in name because it's the name I want to target, layer name. It's going to find all the layer names in that selection. And you can see here I have the alert circle. So I'm going to select all of those. It's going to select them for me, and then I'm going to swap out inside my properties panel, swap it out for the alert triangle. Going to make sure I'm searching in the right library, in the icons library. There it is. So swapped out, and that's it. That's using the Similayer plugin to selecting layers, targeting layers, done in under a couple of minutes.